Hello everyone, we are the volunteers of NSS SCE. In this video, we are going to talk about some common health issues and accidents. So, now we are going to talk about first aid for hearing loss. So first of all, what is hearing loss? Hearing loss is a partial or total inability to hear. Hearing loss can have causes that aren't due to underlying disease. In children, hearing problems can affect the ability to learn spoken language, and in adults, it can create difficulties with social interaction and at work.
So, what are the causes of hearing loss? Hearing loss has multiple causes, including aging, genetics, perinatal problems, and acquired causes like noise and disease. In children, there might be ringing in the ears.
So, let us discuss the problem of objects in the ear. Children sometimes put small objects in their ears, or an insect may crawl into the ear. It is very painful. It may be hard to know if an insect is in the ear or some object that children might have put. The children may say, "My ear is bumping around and it's paining hardly."
So, what are the remedies? What should we do now? First of all, don't try to kill the insect in the ear. Pull the ear up and back and point it towards the sun or a bright light. Generally, insects are attracted toward the light, so insect may crawl out. If the insect doesn't crawl out, fill the ear canal with olive oil or baby oil. The insect may float out.
So, to remove other objects in the ear, tilt the ear head to the side and shake it. If the object is soft and can be seen easily, try carefully to remove it with tweezers. But note that do not put the tweezer deep inside the ear. Seek medical help if you cannot remove the insect or object by yourself.
So, what is the problem of ringing in the ears? Persistent ringing in the ear is called tinnitus. Tinnitus is usually caused by damage to the nerves in the inner ear from prolonged exposure to loud noise. Excessive drinking alcohol can also cause tinnitus.
So now let us see the treatment remedies of first aid for the problem of ringing in ear. So firstly, we can limit or avoid exposure to loud noises such as music, power tools, gunshots, and industrial machinery. Also, by eliminating caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol in our diet, we can avoid the problem of ringing in ears.
Try to relax stress and fatigue seem to make it worse. We should limit the use of aspirin and product containing aspirin.
So that's all for the first aid of hearing loss. Please like, share, and subscribe the video, and press the bell icon to know the latest notifications about our upcoming videos. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.